Hey guys, it's Ewan with the AeroZoo. Let me tell you the story of the time when a MiG-21 rammed an F-4 Phantom II. Now, during the 1960s and 1970s, the CIA and the Imperial Iranian Air Force were involved in a joint project called Project Dark Gene. Project Dark Gene was an aerial reconnaissance program that involved regular incursions into Soviet territory. Its aim was to identify and test the Soviet air defenses. In 1973, during one of these missions, an RF-4C aircraft, piloted by an Iranian pilot with a United States Air Force colonel in the back seat, was intercepted by a MiG-21. Dashing back towards the Iranian border, the RF-4C unleashed a flurry of flares to avoid a missile lock. The MiG-21 was able to fire 2 missiles, both of which missed, and according to some sources, its cannon then proceeded to jam. Directed to continue to press the attack, the MiG-21 was able to perform an aerial ram on the Iranian aircraft, hitting it around about the tail assembly. The Iranian pilot and the American colonel both ejected and landed in the Soviet Union. They were both captured and were released after 16 days. The Soviet pilot of the MiG-21, however, died during the ramming, and he was awarded the title of Hero of the Soviet Union.